Hey there Crimson Desert Gamers, and welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk to you about how you can defeat the Crimson Nightmare boss for the quest by the same name. One thing I recommend you do is pull all of the adds out slowly using your bow and fight them in a controlled environment. I found it quite easy here to fight them up the ramparts, and they would slowly come out to fight me. If you want to use this method, you can actually get to this rampart by just climbing up the tower at the back of the fortress. You also have the option to pick plenty of them off with your bow and arrows if you have some. You will have an easier time of this if you do clear out the trash beforehand. So at this point, I want to talk about this boss fight. I'd seen a couple of tutorials online that talked about the fact that you should try and jump up in the air and then force punch down to stun the boss. And I did try to do that. And unfortunately for me, I don't know whether it's because I'm a bit older or maybe I'm just a bit slower. I'm not the best at gaming. I really struggled with that and I couldn't really do it. And I tried several times and it didn't really work. So I actually learned the boss's rotation here a bit, and what I could do was effectively stun it every time that it landed next to me. It did this jump effect basically where it then landed, and I was able to force punch it twice to build up the stun meter, and upon it being stunned I was then able to kill it. I had to do this a couple of times. It probably wasn't the quickest, and if you're a fantastic gamer you can definitely try the jump and stun method, but it just wasn't for me. But I was able to do the stun method quite happily, as far as just stunning it twice and then backing off again and just constantly having my shield in block. I was able to mitigate or heal through almost all of the damage, and then every single time it used its land ability I was then able to build up the stun meter and kill it. This is probably not the quickest way to do it, but it is the, how should I say this, the most guaranteed way. It's just about learning the rotation, and if you just jiggle from left to right you're able to dodge the majority of its attacks anyway and mitigate most of its damage. So if you just come with a good shield, like the one I've got here for example is quite strong. I will leave a link in the description as to how I got this shield, as it was really easy and effectively just to pick up, so do check that out if you want to pick this up before the fight. But by simply keeping myself in block mode and then stunning it twice every time it landed, I was able to complete the fight successfully. And there we have it. We've now destroyed the Crimson Nightmare and we get this cutscene. And that is how you finish the Crimson Nightmare quest. I really hope that this tutorial helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.